Hey, it's me, Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my red pepper baked ziti. It's a super easy recipe, super simple ingredients, and we're going to get into it right after this. I'm going to go ahead and use my Instant Pot blender for this. I'll have a link for that blender down in the description below. I went ahead and put in 12 ounces of roasted red peppers and 1 cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to put in 1 cup of chicken broth. You can use veggie broth if you would like. I like Trader Joe's roasted red peppers, but you can use any red peppers you have access to, whether you make them yourself or you get them from another store. They don't have to be Trader Joe's. I'm also going to put in a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you would like. I just happen to have garlic powder on hand, and I'm going to put in a half a tablespoon of onion powder. I would recommend using onion powder. And I'm going to go ahead and set my blender on medium. I like to use the medium setting just because it doesn't blend it together too fast and it doesn't move too slow. It's like the perfect setting for making sauces for me. And you're just going to blend it until those peppers are just a liquid and you have a nice red pepper sauce. I'm going to put in 1 box of the ziti into a boiling pot of water and cook it to the directions on the box, and go ahead and add it to my baking pan. I am going to go ahead and add in 16 ounces of ricotta. I like to use the whole milk ricotta, but you can use low fat if you want, if you're looking out for your health and things like that. And I go ahead and get that mixed into the hot pasta that just came out of the pot. And I'm also going to now pour on my sauce. You could mix the ricotta in with the sauce, but I like to do the steps separately and then blend them together in the pan. But whatever is easiest for you, just as long as both of those ingredients get in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on top of the dish. I'm using mozzarella here, and then I'm going to add in some shredded parmesan as well. I also like to put a little salt and pepper on top to taste. I don't tend to put a lot of salt in this dish because there's already salt in your broth that you use. You've already salted your pasta water. You don't want to over salt the dish, but I do sprinkle a little bit on top here, and I also add a little bit of rosemary for flavor. You're going to go ahead and pop that in the oven, a preheated oven, 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. And when it comes out, that cheese should be baked down. It should be gooey. Just, that is like my favorite part of this, is the cheese that sits on top. I think some people add breadcrumbs, but I normally don't add that extra. I just like that cheese, the salt, the pepper, and the rosemary that is on top. This is one of my favorite go-to weeknight things to make. I will make it on like a Sunday or a Monday and just have it for the week when there's those times where you're like, oh, what am I going to have for lunch or dinner? I already have this to grab. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up below. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to share and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. It really helps me out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!